Welcome to our Keystone update. Some of this is carried out in light of the recent events where the Mortgage Works has been the first lender to move significantly on stress tests following the implications of tax rate changes to investors from April 2017. We are responding with split stress tests, separating out individual and limited company borrowers. And this applies to our Keystone Classic range on buy-to-let properties. So the stress test for limited companies will remain at 125% of pay rate or the notional rate at 5.25%, whichever is the higher for term trackers and 3-year fixed rates. On the 5-year fixed rate, the pay rate will be used at 125%. Now, stress tests for individual borrowers will now be at 145% at the pay rate or the notional rate of 5.25%, whichever is the higher for term trackers on all 3-year fixed rates. But with 5-year fixed rates, the pay rate will be used as well. Now, this is all somewhat expected in the direction of travel in light of the forthcoming caps on finance costs brought in by Mr. George Osborne in his July 2015 budget. However, we are keen to demonstrate that we do take the borrower's affordability extremely seriously, and where individual borrowers can show that they are basic rate taxpayers or perhaps even zero rate taxpayers because they have big carry forward losses in their portfolios, we can consider using the lower stress test at 125% and apply it. This will be considered on a case-by-case basis, and we will need to see tax returns in order to substantiating taking that credit decision. However, there will be many lenders who are not able to take this position because they don't have the underwriting in place to look at tax returns and details. Secondly, we are expanding our offering to include commercial property for investors and business owner occupiers, and we've also put together a new package of solutions specifically targeted at the auction purchase market where speed is of the essence. Remember, also within the Keystone Property Finance range, we will consider taking outside income into consideration in addition to the rent. We do offer long-term interest only, and we will accept some of those non-standard properties that don't readily find a home on the high street. We have rates for prime borrowers and also another range of rates for those with light to medium adverse credits as landlords. Now, details of all these products can be found on our website, which is keystonepropertyfinance.co.uk. But if you're a broker, you can phone into our specialist underwriting team on 0345 148 9086. And for all of those who are customers, both prospective or existing, call directly into your consultants on 0345 345 6788.